Hi students, problem number 8. Calculate the time required for 60% of a sample of radon to undergo decay. Given the half-life of radon is 3.8 days. It's a very simple numerical problem but very important for exam. So we have to find out after how many days 60% of the sample has decayed. So now I will write fraction decayed. Okay, fraction decayed is equal to 60%. So how much fraction is remaining? That is 40%. Therefore, fraction remaining undecayed. Okay, fraction remaining undecayed must be equal to 40%. So that is equal to 40 by 100. That is equal to 4 by 10. So this is equal to 2 by 5. This is the fraction remaining undecayed. Is it not there? So now n by n naught. This fraction remaining undecayed also is equal to what? N by n naught. And that is also equal to what? N by n naught is equal to e power minus lambda into t. So in this equation we have to find out the value of t. So after how much time 60% will decay. So in the same time 40% will be remaining undecayed. Before that, what is the lambda? Here is the decay constant. So we have to find out the value of decay constant. Okay, let us now continue with the same equation. So n by n naught is equal to e power minus lambda t. So e power minus lambda into t is equal to the value of n by n naught is what? 2 by 5. Here there is a negative power. So if I will make it as positive means the ratio will change as 5 by 2. So e power lambda into t is equal to 5 by 2, that is equal to what? 2.5. So e power lambda t is 2.5. Therefore lambda into t is equal to ln of 2.5. Ln means what? A natural log. That is a logarithm to the base e. So this is also equal to what? A logarithm of 2.5 to the base e. Now I want to convert this natural log into common log to the base 10. So lambda into t is now equal to 2.303 multiplied by logarithm of 2.5 to the base 10. Normally in the logarithm book, to the base 10 finding is easier. So I have converted from base e to base 10 by multiplying by 2.303. Now we need what? Only the time t, is it not? Therefore the time required is equal to 2.303 into log of 2.5 to the base 10 divided by the decay constant. So the lambda is to be brought to the denominator. Now when half-life of radon T half is given means finding lambda is very simple. So T half is equal to 0.6931 divided by lambda. This implies lambda is equal to 0.6931 divided by half-life. So divided by T half, or lambda is equal to 0.6931 divided by T half is given as 3.8 days. So this is 3.8 per day. I am going to substitute the value of lambda in the equation for the time. Therefore, now T is equal to 2.303 into log of 2.5. Okay, log of 2.5 to the base 10 divided by 0.693. Okay, 0.6931 by 3.8. So this is equal to 2.303 into log of 2.5. Let us use the calculator now, or log book also you can find out. Okay, so log of 2.5 to the base 10, log of 2.5. This is 0.3979. 3979. Now this 3.8 in the denominator of this fraction will come to the numerator. So multiply it by 3.8 and the whole divided by 0.6931. Okay, now let us find the product. Numerator is 2.303. 2.303 multiplied by 0.3979, again multiplied by 3.8. So this is a 3.482. 3.482 divided by 0.6931. 3.482 divided by 0.6931. So this is coming as 5.02. Therefore, the time after which 60% gets decayed, T is equal to 5.02 days. This is the answer. So normally, when you read the problem quickly, 60% will confuse some of the students. It will mislead some of the students. They will write n by n0 is equal to 6 by 10. That is 60% they will take. So you should be little cautious. We have studied this fraction remaining, but what is the fraction? Decayed is given. Understand? So there you have to think and do. Then the problem will become very easier. So the required time is 5.02 days. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.